If you're looking to join Navy Federal Credit Union but you're not in the military, then there's still a few other ways that you can become a member here. Now, this is a pretty popular credit union, so if you can get in here, then that makes you a very lucky person. So in this video, I will be going over how you can start banking with this credit union and what all the fuss is about from banking with Navy Federal. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Just Money. For those of you that are new to my channel, Just Money, my name is Ismael Sandiford. I'm a licensed realtor and I'm a licensed mortgage loan originator, and on this channel, we talk about personal and business credit, real estate, and other financial related topics. So if that's something you're into, then you're probably gonna want to consider subscribing. But in this video, we will be talking about how to join Navy Federal Credit Union. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay, so to start off, let me tell you guys a little bit about Navy Federal so that way you guys have some kind of idea of what they're all about. A lot of people bank with Navy Federal Credit Union or want to start banking with Navy Fed because they have really awesome interest rates. They offer good interest rates on loans, credit cards, mortgages, etc. And Navy Federal also has top tier customer service. Whenever you need help, they can pretty much get you out of any sticky situation that you're in. And personally, I can vouch for this because they saved my life dozens of times. But one of the best things about Navy Federal Credit Union is they are really good with people that have no or bad credit. So if you're already banking with these guys, then you already know how good Navy Federal is. Okay, now let's go over all the ways that you can start banking with them. So the most basic and generic way that you can start banking with them is if you have some kind of military affiliation. So if you're in the military, then you can definitely bank with these guys. Whether it's active duty, retired, or if you're a veteran, all that makes you eligible. Also, if you're in a delayed entry program, which is known as DEP or DEP, that will make you eligible to bank with Navy Federal as well, because pretty much you're in a committed program to join the armed forces. Now, another person that can join Navy Federal are DoD officer candidates. Them and people who are in the ROTC program as well. And again, if you are a veteran and or retired, then you can definitely join Navy Federal as well. Now, let's talk about family members. If you have an immediate family member that already banks with Navy Federal, then that makes you eligible to bank with them as well. Or even if you have an immediate family member that's in the military, then that makes you eligible as well. And the immediate family member that's in the military doesn't need to be banking with them in order for you to start banking with them. So just keep note. So this goes for grandparents, parents, siblings, spouse, and children. Now, if you do have a family member that is in the military, then Navy Federal is going to request a document proving that you have a sibling that is in the military. Once the proof is shown, then you will be granted access to a membership. Now, if you have a family member that was in the military and they are no longer with us, then that makes you still eligible to bank with Navy Fed as well. But another way to start banking with Navy Federal is if you live with somebody who already banks with them. So if you're in the same household as somebody that banks with them, then you will be eligible for a membership. All you pretty much have to do is show that you guys live at the same address, then you will be granted a membership. And once you have a membership with Navy Federal Credit Union, then you will have access to all of the benefits that they offer. You'll have access to their high limit credit cards, their awesome auto loans, and plenty of other amazing things as well. If you guys would like to know more about Navy Federal Credit Union, then there's plenty of other videos on my channel pretty much talking about every topic that you guys have a question to. So feel free to browse around, and I'll even list some videos in the description below for you guys as well. I know this video was kind of short, but I really hope you guys found value in any of this information. But if you guys made it to the end of the video, we are at 10,679 subscribers at the time of this recording, so I do appreciate all who watch. I do post every Sunday and Wednesday, 7 a.m. Pacific time. If it's not 7 a.m., it will most likely be before 7 p.m., so be there. And also, if you guys are interested in knowing more about personal and business credit, real estate, or any other financial related topics, then I would definitely consider subscribing, because that's what we do on this channel. We talk about how to get high limits on your credit cards. We talk about credit cards such as Chase, Navy Federal, American Express, Discover It, etc. So if that's something you're into, then you're probably going to want to consider subscribing. And again, for those that do not know, I am also a licensed real estate agent here in Southern California. So if you're looking to buy or sell or have any questions in regards to real estate, then I would be happy to help you out. All my information will be in the description below. I am also a licensed mortgage loan originator, so if you need funding for a home, then I can definitely help you out with that as well. All my information will be in the description below. I go by the name of Ismael Sandiford, and I will see you next video. Thanks for watching.